Today I'm going to show you my own way of dealing with the Divi 3-column blog module. Divi's default blog module column is 3, and I think that is the best way to display the content, where the width of each column has enough space to display the featured image, text, and other elements in a well-balanced property. The problem with the 3-column blog module layout is that when you switch to tablet portrait view, there are 2 posts at the top and 1 at the bottom, which is not balanced. Here I will show you what I am talking about using the Browser Element Inspector and Toggle Device toolbar. As you can see, the desktop and mobile views look fine. Here's what I am going to do. First, add the Divi blog module into a new row and go to Blog Settings, Design tab, then open Layout and choose Grid. After that, go to the Advanced tab, open the Visibility panel, and check Disable on tablet. Next, duplicate the row where the blog module is located and go to Blog Settings, then the Advanced tab, and uncheck the tablet and check both the phone and desktop. Then, go to the Design tab and open the Layout panel, and select Full Width. Now you can just play around with the blog width. You can make it 100% or whatever fits your design. That's it, my simple way to deal with the blog module in tablet view. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.